Have you ever started drawing and erased the same line 5 times? You haven't finished your sketch and you are already judging it. You zoom in, you overthink the proportions, and you compare it to what you imagined in your head. And suddenly drawing starts to feel a bit heavy instead of fun. If this feeling sounds familiar, then this video is for you. I've been drawing for most of my life. I went to art school and I'm also an architecture student. So drawing is something I do almost every day. Honestly, I overthink my drawings a lot of the time, especially when I care about them. There were even periods where I barely finished anything. And it's not because I couldn't draw, it was because I was just thinking too much while drawing. So if you feel like your brain ruins your drawings, then I really get it. In this video, we are going to work together on why we overthink our drawings, and I'm also going to give you 5 effective tips that help me stop overthinking and actually do the work. And at the end, I will share the one mindset shift that actually helped me finish my drawings after years of getting stuck. So why do we overthink? Here's the thing that no one really tells you. Overthinking is not a skill problem, it's actually a timing problem. You are just judging your sketches and drawings way too early. Your brain is trying to evaluate something that is not even here yet. It's like judging a cake while it's still in the batter. Of course, it doesn't look like a cake yet because it's not even done yet. So separate thinking from drawing. This one was big for me. I stopped trying to think and draw at the same time, and instead I separated the two. When I draw, my only job is to put the lines on the paper. So no fixing, no judging, no zooming in. If it can help, you can even plug in some earbuds and just listen to music, or you can watch your favorite series or movie. The point is that we are not thinking too much. So for example, when I'm drawing a face, I don't try to make it right away. I just place the basic oval shape and just draw the lines of where I want, for example, the eyes to be and the mouth. But other than that, I just won't go into the details right away. I know it sometimes can look a bit off-putting, but it's important that we just keep going. When I'm making, for example, a artwork in charcoal or with soft pastels, when you're making art with those materials, sometimes it can just be fake, blurred out spots, and only towards the ending you will eventually see your artwork come to life. I feel like with those materials, it sometimes can take such a long time before you eventually see the result. So it's important also that you stay super patient. Only after I will have something on my page, then I will stop and think about it. I will tell myself that I'm allowed to make it look bad a bit at first. That feeling alone really reduced my overthinking so much. Because you need to remind yourself that an artwork is a process. It just won't be there in a split second. So by allowing yourself to be patient and just going with the flow, you'll just stop overthinking it overall. If I have helped you out so far, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to get back into your creativity. Draw faster than your thoughts. To overthink, you actually need the time to overthink. So here's a simple trick. Don't give it the time. Try to draw faster, messier, looser. When your hand is moving very quickly when you're making your drawings or sketches, your brain just can't handle every line. For example, when I'm doing like a 2-minute sketch, there's just no time for my brain to have a doubt about it, because I will just let my hands move freely over my paper. So one of my favorite exercises is do these sketches in a few minutes, because then you're just going with the flow and you're not thinking too much about it. You can even switch it up and use a few different materials. The key here is just to have fun and to not give yourself the space to think, because speed can create raw honesty of a drawing. Use bad tools on purpose. When I truly overthink, I stop using tools that feel very serious. I will grab a pen instead of a pencil, or I will take fine liners, could be crayons, markers in silver colors. It does not matter. Just take a material that you're a little bit uncomfortable with, or something that you haven't tried before. Take a cheap paper, or maybe it can be a post-it or the back of an envelope. I also think it can even be more fun if you take a material that you can't erase easily, because if we cannot erase it, then we stop obsessing over the perfectionism. For example, when I draw with a pencil, I know that I can erase it, so I tend to be a little bit too perfect with it. I will erase every line until I get the perfect line that I want. If I switch to a ballpoint or a fine liner, I just have to commit and just accept that there will be some lines that shouldn't be there. And weirdly enough, those sketches are my favorite. Just the ones where I don't think too much and I'm just drawing what I see. The commitment is what overthinking hates to see. So stop aiming for the final image. Most overthinking comes from this thought of, I want my artwork to look exactly like this. You already have it figured out in your head what you want your final drawing to look like, but on paper you're just at step 1. I know that gap can create frustration. I start drawing someone that is sitting and in my head I already know how it should feel. A few lines in and I notice that it's just not working. Pose isn't relaxed and the proportions feel very off. My first instinct is to think, why can't I just get this right? So instead I try to ask myself, what is this sketch trying to show me? Maybe I'm just rushing the posture, or maybe I'm ignoring certain parts that I shouldn't be ignoring. I don't need to fix everything right away. It's good that I'm just already noticing it. By that I just mean that you should really enjoy the process of drawing and you shouldn't be super frustrated when things don't go right from the start. It's good that you're noticing stuff and it means that you're actually growing as an artist, and eventually by noticing these small mistakes, after a while you actually just will become better and you won't need to even correct yourself. And then my final tip would be to make bad versions on purpose. I know it sounds a bit silly, but it actually works. When I notice that I'm overthinking, I just tell myself, okay, this is version 1. This is not going to be the drawing and this is not going to be the final version. It's just going to be the first one. So I will let the proportions be not completely right. I will let my lines be a bit wobbly and I will exaggerate my mistakes on purpose because the first version is allowed to be wrong. So once I let that pressure disappear, the drawing suddenly starts to really flow again. Because I feel like overthinking just needs that pressure to survive again. So by removing the pressure, everything will just quiet down. Overthinking is suddenly your brain trying to protect you from making mistakes. But in drawing, mistakes are actually the way to improve. The goal here is not to silence your brain, but to actually delay it a bit. So let your drawings exist first and then later on we can judge it. So the best mindset shift to make is to allow a drawing to be confusing while it's becoming itself. The messy page is not a failure, it's the process. Once I accepted that, I stopped fighting my drawing and started actually finishing them. So I would love to hear in the comment if you would let me know what you overthink the most when you are drawing. For me, it's definitely getting everything right on paper. I will use my eraser so much when I'm drawing with a pencil and I should actually stop that. I should just go with the flow and sometimes I'm just a bit too hard on myself. So if you overthink your drawings, it does not mean that you are bad at drawing. It means that you actually care about them and that's not a flaw at all. So next time that you catch yourself overthinking, take a deep breath and let drawing be messy for a while. So I hope that you now can enjoy the process and start enjoying drawing again without overthinking it. So thank you guys for watching. Happy sketching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!